Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Leo placement. So, this is your love reading ngayong October. Okay? Singles and the person on your mind. Okay? So, ang titingnan natin sa singles is yung energy ng taong nagugustuhan mo. Okay? So, dapat may nagugustuhan ka, ha? O kung papanoodin mo yung single read. Okay? Singles read. So, again, kung di ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay? So, yes. Kung meron ding mga tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating kay Perception of Light. And sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo magme-message. Okay? So kung hindi nyo makita yung mga FB pages nila, just message me na lang para ako na lang din ang magbibigay ng link, okay, ng kanilang mga page. Okay? And pagdating sa ating mga evil eye items, sa ating evil eye items for protection po, ha, from evil eye. Okay? And yung ating love bracelet, okay, pwede yun sa singles and sa may mga conflict, okay, pagdating sa kanilang mga karelasyon and sa mga kung ano man, okay, na may hinihiling pagdating sa love situation nila. And ang ating granter, okay? So, kung may mga tanong pa po, message na lang kayo. Okay po? So, let's start with a new person. Okay? This is for singles. Singles muna. Okay? So, pagkatapos nyan is dun tayo sa person on your mind. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Leo placements. So, how do you see this new person? Okay, how do you view them? How do you view this new person, mga Leo? Let's see. Okay, the Eight of Cups. Ang dalas ng Eight of Cups pagdating sa new person, I don't know why. I don't know. Kung hindi Eight of Cups, Six of Swords, mga ganyan. Yeah. Ano tong Eight of Cups? Oh, the Lovers. Some of you, itong nagugustuhan mo is may kakonek. Okay, napaka-specific. Okay, may kakonek or may karelasyon. That is why ina-avoid ka nila or nilalayuan ka. Okay? So, pwedeng ganun. Water sign and Gemini. Let's see. Okay. Siya, anong tingin niya sa'yo? Okay. How do they view you? How does this new person views Leo? Okay. The Three of Wands. Oh, no. Okay. The Three of Wands. And the Ten of Wands. So, ang nakuha ko dito, ang tingin nito sa'yo is may something ka pagdating sa kanila. Okay? Alam nila yon, ramdam nila yon, and I think yung paglayo na ginagawa or pagdistansya nila is pwedeng tingin nila nahihirapan ka doon, ha? Ang haba ng hair nito. Ang haba ng hair niya. They're blocking you. Nandun yung block. Yeah, the Queen of Swords. Okay? Even though yung iba sa inyo, sabihin natin ito, meron akong nakuhang energy dito, mga Leo, na kahit alam mong nasa connection na tong taong gusto mo, nandito yung ume-effort ka pa rin, and they see that, they feel that. Okay? Kaya ang nasabi ko is pwedeng alam nila na gusto mo siya. Yes. Yeah. Pero hindi mo makikita yung mutual or equal no energy mula dito sa taong to. Okay? Kung alam nyo naman na single itong taong to, okay? Some of you find this person na pwedeng gusto mong talagang makarelasyon eh. Okay? Gusto mong makarelasyon. Yun ang nakikita ko. Okay? Pagdating sa emosyon niya or sa tingin niya sa'yo, okay? Kung paano kanya makita, kung paano ang tingin niya sa'yo, andun yung pagpapursue. Okay? Andun yung tingin niya na gusto mo siya talaga. Like, sabihin natin uma-action ka, gumagawa ka o may effort ka. Na-appreciate ng taong to yung ginagawa mo if ever. Mga pababae, mga palalaki ko naman ang gender mo. Okay? Hindi naman na lang lalaki ang nagawa ngayon ng action eh, di ba? Yeah. Real talk. Di ba? Nakikita niya yung effort na ginagawa mo, I think. Yeah, anyway. So, let's see what is their emotions towards you. Their emotions. Emotion. The Eight of Wands. Okay, and the Knight of Cups. The Nine of Swords is here. The Ace of Wands. Ito be careful. Sa mga alam na yung ginugusto nila is may kakonek. Okay? Meron ako ditong nakikitang communication. Mag-open yung communication. Sabihin nating magkakapansinan kayo, mga ganyan. And someone pwedeng mag-step up or mag-offer. Okay? Pero nandun yung Nine of Swords, which is stress lang. Okay? Or sabihin nating magiging issue lang to in the end, if ever. Okay? So, dun tayo sa alam nating single itong taong ginugusto mo. Communication, magiging open. They will, sabihin nating bibigyan ka ng pagkakataon na magkaroon kayo ng like open opportunity pagdating sa isa't isa. Okay? Some of you, I'm seeing here energy ng sex muna. Parang ganon. Yeah. Lalo na dun sa may yung alam nyo may kakonekto. Okay? So, anong next action niya towards you? Next action itong new person na ginugusto mo, Leo. The Ace of Cups. Okay. Being open emotionally. Some of you, strong connection yung nararamdaman mo pagdating sa kanya. Pwedeng ganun rin siya. Lalo na kung single. Okay, kung single. There's this attraction. Okay? So, next action. Ten of Cups in reversed. Yeah, the blockage. The Ace of Wands, the sex. Okay? Next action. Some of them, nandoon yung pwedeng, ang next action na gagawin is maging open. Pero yun nga lang, yung iba sa kanila is, kailangan lang parang may mafu-fulfill pagdating sa side nila. Okay? Both. Kung alam nyong single at kung alam nyong may kakonek, meron lang itong parang gustong ma-fulfill or makaramdam ng contentment. Okay? Sa sarili. Pareho sila. Okay? So, anong advice for Leo? Advice for Leo para dito sa new person. Okay? The Two of Wands in reversed. And the Star. Okay, so depende. Okay, depende dahil dalawa yung nakuha nating energy dito. It depends kung anong kailangan yung gawing action, yun ang gagawin. At sa tingin ninyo kung anong kailangan at kung ano sa tingin ninyo yung parang makakabuti, yun ang gagawin. Okay, the Ace of Pentacles, the Ace of Swords, being open, being transparent. Okay? Acceptance, some of you. Okay, yan ang nakukuha ko. See, the seven of cups. Avoid ninyo yung pagbibigay ng confusion, or avoid ninyo na i-confuse yung sarili ninyo. Okay? So, sabihin natin parang yes, gusto mo to, pero may mga kailangan gawin. Okay? May mga kailangan gawin bago umentry, no? Oo, umentra dito sa connection na to. It's up to you kung ano yon. Okay? Kanya-kanya kayo. Hindi natin pwedeng isa-isahin. Ganto, ganyan. Alam niyo yun. Okay? Istorya mo yun. Istorya mo yan. Istorya mo. Okay? Okay, so there. Pero, yeah, nakuha ko ng energy dito na pwedeng may mag-open na opportunity sa inyong dalawa. Yun ang nakukuha kong tema para sa new person. Whether may ka-connect man tong new person na nagugustuhan mo, or single man siya. Okay? So, next is, the person on your mind, Leo. Okay, so, who is this person? Oo, na yung iniisip. Anong meron? Okay, let me shuffle one more. Okay. Leo. Who is this person you're thinking of? Okay, the person on Leo's mind. Who is this? The Ten of Pentacles. Some of them pwedeng Earth sign. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Okay, basta kanila may money, actually. What's with this Ten of Pentacles? The Seven. Oh, you want commitments with this person, or maybe they want commitments. May nagko-commit ngayon, pero hindi nagiging malinaw, or hindi naging consistent pagdating sa messages. Okay? Yeah, the Page of Swords. Meron ditong naghahanap ng kasagutan. Meron ditong pwedeng because of the Seven of Cups in reverse, may energy rito na pwedeng past person to. Okay? Let's see. Ano tong Seven of Cups in reverse? Anong meron dyan? Yeah, a past person's energy. Someone is coming back or returning. Hindi malabong may nakikipagbalikan ngayon, mga Leo, or may nangyaring balikan sa inyo, or kumustahan, whatsoever. Okay? So, clarify ko lang tong Seven of Cups in reverse. So, nag-Eight of Cups in reverse. So, this is an energy of a past person. Okay, so now, meron ditong parang gusto ng commitment. Okay? Someone is attracted. Okay? Pero, the Six of Cups is here in reverse. Masabihin natin nandyan pa rin yung issue. Okay? The Hermit. Someone is looking for something. Looking for an answer. Pwedeng Virgo. Okay? So, maybe some of you, pwedeng may paghahanap ng clarity dito. Okay? Let's see. Ano bang situation ninyo ngayon? Anong sitwasyon nyo ngayon, Leo? The Two of Swords. So, hindi pa rin malinaw. Oo, someone is, hindi pa rin totally open. Okay? So, meron pa rin, sabihin natin parang boundaries. Okay? Yeah, strength. Boundaries. Yeah. Some of you, ikaw to, Leo, na gumagawa ng boundaries. Someone is, acting indecisive. Aloof. Okay? Being hot and cold. Being present. And then, absent. Parang ganon. Yeah. Andun yung pagja-juggle. Hindi malinaw kung bakit nandyan. Okay? Hindi malinaw kung bakit nakikipag-ayos or what. Hindi lang din siguro nagiging open or transparent, or talagang hindi nasasabi ko ng mga dapat sabihin dito, pero I don't know why, kung anong pumipigil ngayon sa sitwasyon. Merong boundaries dito. Some of you, sabihin natin their ego, someone's pride, okay, is on the way. Okay, yeah, see, someone is overthinking, someone is always finding an answer. Okay, let's see. What is their true emotion? Okay, their true emotion pagdating sa'yo, Leo. Okay, the Queen of Swords. Acting cold and detached, or pwedeng napaka-strict, or something like hindi mo makikitaan ng emosyon. Okay, the Queen of Swords. Yeah, the Seven of Pentacles. I think ang emosyon nito for you is parang sa ngayon ha, Leo, sa ngayon ang nakikita ko dito is they're being intelligent. Witty, oo. Parang bukas ang utak ng taong to ngayon. Okay, hindi sila basta-basta parang nagiging open sa'yo. May mga hinihintay ito, okay, na mga sinyales or whatsoever. Okay? Pero nandyan siya for you. Yeah, nandyan yan. See, the Queen of Cups in reversed. Their emotion is not what? Talagang ipinapakita. Pwedeng tinatago ng taong to yung totoong emosyon niya. Some of you, pwede kayong same gender. Okay? So, wag nyo lang tingnan yung tawag dito, queen man yan, king man yan, okay? Someone is waiting. Feeling invested pa rin tong taong to sa'yo. Okay? Pero they're acting distant, acting cold, detached. Okay? May hinihintay lang yan din sa'yo. So, hindi niya hinahayaan na parang open siya. Okay? So, anong next action nito towards you, Leo? The Nine of Swords in reversed. And the Knight of Pentacles in reversed. Being inconsistent. Okay? Being inconsistent. Yeah, lalo na sa komunikasyon. Okay? Pero this person likes you. Hindi lang, I think, parang naggagawa lang to ng, nagsaset lang siya ng healthy boundaries pagdating sa sarili niya. I don't know why. Okay, so maybe, yun nga, iba sa inyo, ikaw yung parang nagiging indecisive sa ngayon. Okay, or maybe hindi lang nila talaga makita yung totoong intention mo or your emotion whatsoever. Okay, so that's why parang kailangan nilang lagyan ng healthy boundaries yung sarili nila from you. Okay? So, next action is maging inconsistent. Okay? Yan ang nakukuha ko. To avoid stress. Ayaw nilang man-stress. Okay? So, maybe ayaw din nila na parang totally ma-attached dito. Okay? Hindi niya hahayaan na parang ma-touch agad siya dito sa nangyayari ngayon sa inyo. Okay? Yeah, may pagbabalikan ako nakukuha rito, ha? Okay? So, anong advice for Leo placements pagdating dito sa sitwasyon nyo na ito? The Three of Wands in reversed. Okay. Don't expect big. Don't expect anything. Okay? So, what's with this Three of Wands in reversed? Yeah, the World. Okay, the Four of Swords in reverse. Open the line of communication. Okay, open. I-open. Lalo na, gawin yung consistent. Okay? And, maging straightforward. Iwasan na yung paligoy-ligoy. Parang ganyan. If you're the one who is acting indecisive here, Leo. Okay? Huwag ka na magpaligoy-ligoy. Okay? Lalo na kung ikaw yung bumalik. Ha? Lalo na kung ikaw yung bumalik or nagparamdam. Okay? Andito pa rin po, ha? Yung unfinished business. Actually. So, hindi ko masisisi itong taong to kung talagang poprotektahan niya yung emosyon niya from you. Okay? Kasi yung nakikita niya sa'yo, you're acting indecisive or aloof or inconsistent. Not open. Confusing. Okay? So, hindi ko masisisi itong taong to kung ganyan na magiging reaction niya. Okay? So, advice is maging open, alisin yung mga sabihin nating issue, i-heal. Okay? The world is here. Magkaroon na ng new chapter. Okay? Enough with the repeat. Enough with the cycles. Okay? Yung pagbabalik na to, hindi nyo na kailangan na i-repeat yung nangyari sa inyo noon. Okay? Hindi na. Syempre. Basa nyo kung anong mangyayari. Kung babalikan nyo lang din yung mga nangyari sa past. Magkaroon na ng pagbabago. Magkaroon na ng parang new chapter. Okay? New chapter. Kung meron kailangan mag-sorry or humingi ng sorry, magpatawa, do it. Okay? We have here the 3 of Cups. Okay? May chance na iba sa inyo, pwede naman mag-start as friends muli. Yeah. Para lang matanggal rin yung boundaries. Kasi meron. Okay. Maging open, actually. Isa rin yun. Be, sabihin natin, straightforward. Kung anong dahilan, kung anong rason ng pagbabalik. Whether if you're a cross-watcher, whether if you're a Leo, maging straightforward kung bakit. Okay? Hindi yung magchat-chat ka, tatawag ka, magte-text ka, ang tatanungin mo lang, anong ulam nila? Ha? Siyempre, di ba? Makakuha ka ng ganong message from a past person. Anong meron? Anong meron dito, di ba? So, ayaw natin ng ganon. Just be straightforward, yeah. Be straightforward. Yun lang naman. Okay, so, someone is afraid din kasi na may ma-reject. Ano pa nga ikakatakot? Di ba? Wala naman kayo. Kung i-reject ka man, wala naman kayo. O, diba? Kung maging straightforward ka at malaman mo, masabi mo yung mga kailangan mong sabihin na totoo, intention, emosyon, diba? Sayang naman kung tatanggapin niya yun. Diba? Masasayang yun. Hindi mo alam, tatanggapin pala niya. So, wag na kayong manghinayang kung kayo ay talagang magkahiwalay na. Huwag kayong matakot sa rejection. Hiwalay na nga kayo, matakot pa kayo sa rejection. Okay? So, there. Yeah. Yun ang ating reading for Leo placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.